Good morning, third class children. Now I am going to tell you about workbook exercises. Children, take out your workbooks, open page number 16 page. Transport lesson. What is this lesson name, children? Transport lesson. First exercise. Classify the means of transport according to their mode of transport. Write their name in the respective box. First one, aeroplane, auto, bicycle, bike, boat, bullock cart, bus, car, helicopter, fire balloon, jeep, parachute, scooter, ship, yacht, steamer, horse drawn carriage, train, truck. Okay, children, identify these pictures. This is a aeroplane, airway, air transport, auto rickshaw, land transport, bicycle, land transport, bike, land transport, boat, water transport, bullock cart, land transport, bus, land transport, car, land transport, helicopter, air transport, air balloon, air transport. Next, jeep, land transport, parachute, air transport, scooter, land transport, ship, water transport. Next, yacht, water transport, horse drawn carriage, land transport, train, railway track. This is a train, land transport, truck, land transport. Next, delivery van, land transport, sailboat, land transport, water transport, children, sailboat, water transport, tractor, land transport, rocket, air transport, oil tanker, land transport, submarine, water transport. Land transport, water transport, air transport. First, aeroplane, aeroplane, aeroplane. Next, auto rickshaw, land transport, autorickshaw, auto rickshaw. Next, bicycle, bicycle, land transport, bicycle. Motorbike, motorbike, bike, motorbike, land transport. Next, boat, boat, water transport. Next, bullock cart, cart, bullock cart, land transport. Bus, bus, land transport. Car, car, land transport. Next, helicopter, helicopter, air transport. Fire balloon, fire, fire balloon, air transport. Jeep, jeep, land transport. Parachute, parachute, air transport. Scooter, scooter, land transport. Ship, ship, water transport. Next, yacht, yacht, water transport. Next, horse drawn carriage, horse, drawn, carriage, land transport. Next one, train, train, land transport. Next, oil tanker, tanker, oil tanker, truck, 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 land transport. Next, delivery van, DELIVER, delivery van, delivery van. Land transport, sailboat, SAIL, sail, BOAT, boat. Water transport, tractor, TRACT, tractor, land transport. Rocket, ROCKET, rocket. Okay, children. Next, submarine, last one, SUBMARINE, submarine. Oil tanker, truck. Okay, children. Land transport, water transport, air transport. Classify the means of transport according to the modes of transport. Okay, write neatly, children. Next, children, describe some means and modes of transport with the help of the following words: comfortable, fast, boring, expensive, cheap, slow, enjoyable, convenient, affordable, economical, safe, luxury. Okay, private transport is comfortable mode of transport. Private transport, PRIVATE, private, TRANSPORT, private transport, ISE, comfortable, MODE, mode, OF, TRANSPORT, mode of transport. Okay, children. Private transport, for example, private bus, private helicopter, and private car. Comfortable. Next, fast. Air transport is the fastest mode of transport. AIR, TRANSPORT, air transport, ISSTH, the FASTEST, fastest, MODE, mode, OF, TRANSPORT, transport. Next, boring. Public bus travel can be boring. PUBLAC, public bus, TRAVEL, travels, can BEB, BORING, boring. Next, expensive. Air transport is the relatively more expensive. AIR, TRANSPORT, air transport, ISSTH, the RELATIVEL, relative more expensive. EXPENSIVE, expensive. See here, children, private transport is comfortable enough. Don't write modes of transport. Okay. Next, cheap. Railway transport is cheap. Railway ticket is cheap, children. RAIL, rail, TRANSPORT, transport, ISCCHEAP, cheap. Slow, water transport is a slow moving mode of transport. WATER, water, TRANSPORT, transport, ISC is a SLOW, slow, MOVING, moving, MODE, mode, OF, TRANSPORT, transport. Enjoyable. Private transport is enjoyable. PRIVATE, private, TRANSPORT, transport, ISC is ENJOYABLE, enjoyable. Convenient. Railway transport is a convenient mode of transport. RAIL, railway, TRANSPORT, transport, ISC is ACONVENIENT, convenient, MODE, mode, OF, TRANSPORT, transport. Affordable. Public transportation is affordable. PUBLAC, public, TRANSPORT, TION, public transportation, ISC is AFFORDABLE, affordable. Economical. Water transport is relatively an economical mode of transport. WATER, water, TRANSPORT, transport, ISC is RELATIVEL, relatively an ECONOMICAL, economical, MODE, mode, OF, TRANSPORT is transport. Safe. Public transport is safe. PUBLAC, public, TRANSPORT, transport, ISC is SAFE, safe. Next, luxury. Private transport is luxury. PRIVATE, private, TRANSPORT, transport, ISC is LUXURY, luxury. Okay, children, write neatly. Next, what is the difference between means of transport and modes of transport? The different mode of transport are air, water and land transport, which includes railways or railways, road and off-road transport. The means of transport, on the other hand, refers to the vehicles necessary for transport according to the chosen mode: car, aeroplane, ship, truck and rail. TH the DAIFF ERENT different mode mode OF of TRANSPORT transport ARER AIR AWTR water and LA and land TRANSPORT transport WHICH which INCLUDES includes RAILS rails or RAILWAYS railways, ROAD road and OFF of ROAD road TRANSPORT transport. The different mode of transport are air, water and land transport, which includes rails or railways, road and off-road transport. The TH the MENS means OF of TRANSPORT transport, were not TH the ODH or other H and hand. REFERS refers to TH the VEHICLES vehicles NECESSAR necessary for TRANSPORT transport ACC or DING according to TH the CHOSN chosen embody mode. CR car, AIR PLANE plane, airplane, ship SHAP ship, TRUC truck and RAIL rail. Okay children, the means of transport on the other hand refers to the vehicles necessary for transport according to the chosen mode: car, airplane, ship, truck and rail. What are the means of transport before the invention of wheel? Look at this picture children, this is a wheel. What are the means of transport before the invention of wheel? By walk, using animals and handmade boats. Okay children, people were limited to move only within a walking distance area. They carried, dragged, pushed and rolled things from one place to another place. Next, using animals and handmade boats. Earlier, man used to ride only on horse, elephants, camels and handmade boats. BY by WAKL walk, USING walk, using ANIMALS animals and HA and hand made BYATS boats. Okay children, write neatly. If you have any doubts, check one's course book page numbers 26, 27, 28, 29, 24, 25 and 30, 31 also children, 32, 33 would. Okay. Thank you children. I will meet in the next class. Bye.